Iran's top leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, age 86, who ruled the country since 1989, was killed in airstrikes on Tehran. The attacks were carried out jointly by the United States and Israel. The strikes started on Saturday, February 28, and explosions continued into Sunday. Khamenei died in one of the first strikes along with several top Iranian officials, some family members, a daughter, son-in-law and others, and many senior military leaders. Iran has declared 40 days of national mourning. Iran has set up a temporary leadership group, a council of 3 people, to run the country until a new supreme leader is chosen. Reports mention Ayatollah Ali Reza Arafi as an interim leader or part of this council, and a new permanent supreme leader might be named in the next few days. Iran has fought back hard. It launched drones and missiles at many US military bases in the Middle East and also struck targets in Israel and other countries. In Iran, at least 300 people killed from the US-Israeli attacks. US side, at least 3 American soldiers killed and 5 seriously injured by Iranian drones. In Israel, at least 9 people killed and 120 injured from Iranian attacks. Iranian drones or missiles affected the UAE, Bahrain, Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and more. Iran's Revolutionary Guard, a powerful military group, promised a very big and intense attack soon on Israel and US bases. US President Donald Trump called Khamenei one of the most evil people in history. He said the attacks aim to stop Iran's nuclear program, weaken its missiles, and maybe help Iranians take back their country. He warned that strikes will continue for weeks if needed, and Iran will face huge force if it keeps attacking. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu said they will hit thousands more terrorist targets soon. Iranian officials said the US and Israel crossed a red line and will pay a heavy price. They threatened devastating blows. This is a very dangerous moment. Killing the supreme leader creates a big power gap in Iran, which could lead to more chaos or instability in the Middle East. People in Iran and around the world have mixed feelings. Some mourn him as a religious leader who stood against the West. Others, including some Iranians, see him as a harsh ruler who caused suffering and are quietly happy or celebrating. The conflict is ongoing with more strikes and retaliation possible, raising fears of a longer war.